Let's begin by understanding the background of this landmark case. Helen Bayog-Saito, a Filipino citizen, married Toru Saito, a Japanese national in 1999. Over time, differences in culture and nationality led to the breakdown of their marriage. Eventually, Toru initiated divorce proceedings in Japan, and Helen agreed by signing the necessary documents. The divorce was processed and recorded in Japan, and all documents were duly authenticated. Helen then sought judicial recognition of this foreign divorce in the Philippines, aiming to be legally capacitated to remarry under Philippine law. This set the stage for a legal battle, as the Philippine government, through the Office of the Solicitor General, challenged the recognition of the foreign divorce, arguing that Philippine law generally prohibits absolute divorce for Filipino citizens. The case would test the boundaries of Article 26 of the Family Code. Legal debates centered on whether a foreign divorce decree, especially one obtained by mutual agreement, could be recognized in the Philippines. The RTC initially ruled in Helen's favor, recognizing the Japanese divorce and declaring her legally capacitated to remarry. The government appealed, arguing that only divorces initiated solely by the foreign spouse should be recognized, not those obtained jointly or by mutual agreement. Court of Appeals upheld the RTC's decision, emphasizing that the divorce was valid under Japanese law and that Helen's participation was limited to accepting the divorce notification. The CA found that the evidence, including the divorce certificate and authenticated Japanese laws, sufficiently proved the validity of the divorce. This affirmed the principle that the Filipino spouse should not remain bound to a marriage when the foreign spouse is already free to remarry. The Supreme Court ultimately denied the government's petition, affirming the lower court's decisions. The court clarified that Article 26 of the Family Code allows recognition of foreign divorce decrees, regardless of whether the divorce was initiated by the foreign spouse, jointly, or even by the Filipino spouse alone. The ruling cited previous landmark cases, such as Republic v. Manilo and Galipon v. Republic, which established that the law's intent is to prevent the absurd situation where a Filipino remains married while the foreign spouse is not. The court emphasized that as long as the divorce is valid under the foreign spouse's national law and properly proven in court, the Filipino spouse gains the capacity to remarry. This decision provides clarity and relief for Filipinos in mixed marriages, ensuring fairness and consistency in the application of the law.